Now we're at the Connect stage. Here we'll link your Bulk Apply profile with different job boards. Let's begin by adding the Bulk Apply Chrome extension to your browser. Simply click the Get Extension Here button, which will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. There, click on Add to your browser to install the extension. Once the extension is installed, the next step is to link it with your profile. Copy your unique profile ID and paste it into the extension. This will enable you to connect with job boards like Dice, LinkedIn, and Indeed. First, log into your Dice account in another tab and do the same for LinkedIn and Indeed. After logging in, return to Bulk Apply and click Next. You'll see options to connect each job board to your profile. Click Connect on Dice, Indeed, and LinkedIn. To enhance your job search, it's a good idea to set up your preferences on each job board. Go to each site and use keywords and filters to specify the job role, type, location, and other criteria. Once you've set these up, copy the search URL from each job portal and paste it back into Bulk Apply. This helps in getting more accurate job matches. You can add up to 4 search URLs per job board. After setting this up for Dice, LinkedIn, and Indeed, click Next. This will take us to the final stage, Automate.